What is Perl developer? Perl is a high-level, general-purpose interpreted programming language that was originally developed in the late 1980s by Larry Wall, and it's known for its strength in text processing and manipulation, system administration, web development, network programming, bioinformation, script and automation. Responsibility of Perl developer. A Perl developer typically writes and maintains code in Perl, automated tasks, especially on Unix, Linux systems, develops backend service or APIs, work with database like MySQL or PostgreSQL, process and analyzes large text or log files, maintaining legacy systems as many old applications are written in Perl. Skill needed: proficiency in Perl, syntax, regular expression, modules like DBI, catalytics, familiarity with Unix, Linux, shell environment, knowledge of web technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, if doing web development, experience with database and SQL, understanding of version control systems like Git, job responsibility or job relevance today. While Perl is not as popular as modern language like Python or JavaScript, it is still used in legacy systems, bioinformation, finance and trade system administration, scripting. Let me know if you don't like to see a sample Perl script or want to learn it. Thank you for watching.